Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you try to unlock or lock your front door guys, the driver door with the key, and it doesn't lock or unlock, we will explain guys what could be the reason for that. So stay with us guys, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys for all the work we do here at the shop. If you guys need any parts to fix your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase everything for a really good price guys, and fast shipping as well. So what could be causing guys your door not to lock or unlock with the key on Chevy Cruze? Pretty simple guys, but in order to get to the point where we are now, you have to guys remove your door panel. If you want to see that, the video is on the channel. It explains everything, how to do it and how to remove it. Now right here guys, when we remove the door panel, we can see how the whole mechanism works. So let me actually leave the light right here so we can get a little bit of light, and I can explain what is happening now. This on the inside guys, this is your door mechanism. You can see like that. Now when I guys pull the handle to open the door, that opens the door. When I guys turn the key to lock it or unlock it, check it out. How that thing is actually, when I turn the key, is pulling that rod guys. I'm talking about this second rod, right there, the second one. So what could be the reason guys, for your car not to lock or unlock with the key? Number one guys, that rod, it has two plastic clips that it goes in, one on top, one on the bottom. And if those break guys, what will happen, when you turn the key, that rod will be disconnected and your door lock actuator will not be actually working, because that rod will not actually move the actuator, the door lock actuator. And that's very bad guys. Why? Because if you have a dead battery, and you cannot unlock your door, it will be terrible, because your remote will not work, the clicker will not work, and you will have to manually guys unlock and lock the car. And if that thing doesn't work guys, you will have to unlock your car without a key, which is really complicated, and you can damage quite a few things. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If that doesn't work, check out that connecting rod. 9 out of 10 times that's loose rod, or very rare guys, it could be a bad door lock actuator, or you may have a little bit too much rust here, so you might need to spray lubricating spray inside the door lock cylinder and move it a couple of times and see if that will make it go. But that's it guys, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.